Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Reminders app on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use Reminders apps, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your App Store first, and you have to make sure that Reminder apps has been installed and has a latest update on your iPhone. So search for Reminders, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates or the app has been installed on your iPhone. So just tap on this open option here. And now you just have to create a new reminder. If you want to create, just tap on this plus option in the bottom right. Just select that. And here you just have to enter a title. So let's say I'm going to select the title here, France purchase. So once I've done, you can also enter a note, or you can also add a URL if you want to. And here's a date, just enable that. And if you just select this continue option, then select allow. It will allow to send you notification. Just select a date on which date you want to get a reminder. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Just select the date. You can also enable this for a specific time. So let's say I'm going to select a time here. Here's the time I have selected. You can also select time zone, or you can select a repeat if you want to set a repeat here. But I'm going to select this never. Here's the list. You can easily select and which list you want to save your reminder. And also you can add more details. Just tap on this details option, and then you can add different tags, different flags, priority. You can also use precise location, or you can enable this for messaging and select any contact here. Or you can also add an image from your photo library, or you can also take a photo here. So once you have done, just tap on this done option, and your reminder will be set. So in this way, you can easily set up a reminder on your reminders app and your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.